Ibex, masters of the mountains. Ibexes, also known as Ibexes, are a species of wild goat adapted to living in some of the most inhospitable and rugged terrain on the planet. With their long, curved horns, extraordinary agility, and ability to scale sheer cliffs, Ibexes have captured the imagination of nature lovers and scientists alike. This article explores the biology, behavior, habitat, and ecological importance of these fascinating animals. Biology and physical characteristics. The term ibex refers to several species of wild goats belonging to the genus Capra, including the alpine ibex, Capra ibex, the Nubian ibex, Capra nubiana, the Siberian ibex, Capra sibirica, and the Ethiopian ibex, Capra walie, among others. Although the different ibex species vary in size and characteristics, they share several common characteristics. Ibex are known for their large, curved horns, which are more prominent in males than in females. These horns can grow up to 1 meter in length in some cases and are used in combat during mating season. In addition to the horns, ibexes possess thick fur that varies in color according to season and habitat, providing camouflage on rocks and snow. A distinguishing feature of ibexes is their agility and climbing prowess. They have adapted hooves with non-slip pads that allow them to move confidently on rocky surfaces, leaping from ledge to ledge with ease. This ability is vital to their survival, as it allows them to evade predators and access areas where other herbivores cannot reach. Behavior and diet. Ibex are social animals that generally live in small sex-segregated groups, with males and females forming separate groups except during mating season. Males are usually solitary or form small groups outside of the mating season, while females and their young remain together in larger groups. The diet of ibexes consists mainly of grasses, herbs, leaves, and shoots, although their diet may vary according to season and food availability. During winter, when food is scarce, they may feed on lichens, moss, and tree branches. In the mating season, which usually occurs in autumn, males compete for females through ritualized fights in which they beat each other with their horns. These fights determine the hierarchy among males and access to females. After a gestation period of about 6 months, females give birth to 1 or 2 kids in spring, which are able to move with surprising agility soon after birth. Habitat and distribution. Ibexes inhabit mountainous regions of Europe, Africa, and Asia. Each ibex species is adapted to its specific environment, from the European Alps to the mountains of Ethiopia to the deserts of the Middle East. Despite differences in their habitats, all ibexes share a preference for rocky and rugged terrain, where they can find refuge from predators and access scattered food resources. The alpine ibex, for example, is found in the mountainous regions of the European Alps, while the Nubian ibex inhabits the arid mountains of northeast Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. The Siberian ibex lives in the mountains of Central Asia, including the Mongolian and Russian regions, where it tolerates extremely cold conditions. Ecological importance and conservation. Ibex play an important role in mountain ecosystems. As herbivores, they contribute to vegetation control, preventing overgrowth of certain plants and promoting ecological diversity. In addition, they serve as prey for predators such as snow leopards, wolves, and eagles, making them a key component of the food chain in their habitats. However, many ibex species are threatened due to hunting, habitat loss, and fragmentation of their populations. The Ethiopian ibex, for example, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Protected areas and nature reserves play a crucial role in ibex conservation, providing them with a refuge where they can live without the threat of hunting and with adequate access to resources. Conclusion. Ibex are true masters of the mountains, with impressive adaptations that allow them to survive in some of the world's most extreme environments. Their ability to climb cliffs, their complex social behavior, and their ecological importance make them a fascinating species that deserves to be protected and studied. As they face increasing threats, conservation of their natural habitats and protection from poaching are essential to ensure the future of these iconic mountain goats.